Welcome students. Welcome all of yours in your class 5th online class group. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher and today I will teach you a computer. Okay. Now class 5th computer. Students, your book name is Connect to the Computer World. Okay. Today I will discuss chapter 1. What the name what is the name of the chapter 1 is computers then and now. Means in this chapter we have to study what type of a device is a computer in the past time and in the present time. In the present time we have seen various types of computers in the form of laptop, notebook, palm top, various types of computers. But can that type of computers are also in the early age time? Means in the past time computers looks like which type of shape is that and which type of working is that and how that computing devices looks like. So now our first topic is early calculating devices. So the students are, I think all of you knows that computer is a modern calculating device. It has evolved from calculating devices that people have developed in the past. In the past time, which type of various calculating devices was developed by the peoples, and the computer is evolved from that previous calculating devices was modified. Some changes happens in that devices, and now the present times calculating devices we have seen. So now let us learn about some early calculating device to understand the history and evolution of modern computer. We have to study the early calculating devices to understand the history. What is the history of the computers and what is the evaluation of the computer, how that gradually computers changes time to time. Okay. And I think all of you also study in SST ki that in early age times man uses fingers, stones, sticks, bones for the calculating the items. They uses 2 stones, 3 bones and 5 sticks to calculate the animals and calculate the people also. They have to, so that calculation was not so accurate. Okay. But gradually when the time increases, man changes their calculating technology. In the present time we have uses calculators and computers, but some more machines are also developed in that between times when the persons uses that devices to calculate the sums or problems, whatever is that. So basically computer is a calculating device. Its main job is to perform computation at very fast speed. Okay. So various calculating devices are there: abacus, Napier bones, Pascaline, Leibniz calculator, Jacquard's loom, difference engine, analytical engine, tabulating machine, Mark 1, ENIAC, UNIVAC. Many devices are there. So we have to discuss all the devices one by one. I will show you your book, that is the timeline. That is the time. First is a abacus, then next one is a Pascaline, no, abacus, then Napier bones, then Pascaline, then Leibniz calculator, then Jacquard's loom, then difference engine, analytical engine, tabulating machine, ENIAC. Is that this is the timeline of that early age calculating devices. Okay. Now we have to discuss first abacus. The abacus was the first calculating device made by men. At first time abacus was developed by Egypt about 5000 years ago, but that device was not so popularized and so perfect, and the Chinese men can develop that changed, sorry, not developed, they changed that devices and be popularized by the Chinese. So mainly abacus was developed by the Chinese person. It performs additions and subtraction. This is the diagram of abacus. It has a two unequal parts. One is a shorter and another one is a longer, and that frame is a wooden frame. Here is outside the wooden frame. This is the shorter part and this is the longer part. This shorter part is known as a heaven and this is known as a earth. Okay, and that shorter part have a, that is a rectangular wooden frame divided into two unequal parts. The frame is fitted with rod or wire. These are the rods, these are the rods, these are the rods or wires, and two beads are strung into the upper section. In the heaven sections there is a two beads, and in the lower section there is a five beads. That is the earth section. In this earth section each rod has a five beads. Calculations are done by moving the beads up or down along with the rods. In the rod the beads are up and down, and through this we have to calculate. Okay, only additions and subtractions are mainly done by this. Next is a Napier bones. It was developed by John Napier in 1617 year AD. One could use this device to perform multiplication and division at a fast speeds. In this there is a sticks having numbers mark on them in a special way, and we can use it to perform multiplication and division at very fast speed. Second is a Pascaline. Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It is known as the world's first calculator also. Pascaline is also known as the world's first calculator, and Pascaline consisted of a wooden box having wheels and dials, and these wheels and dials are also used in the present time in the cars odometers that tracks the car's mileage. To calculate the speed of the car, that car's odometer is used. Okay, and that Pascaline is also used to add and subtract large numbers extremely quickly. Okay students, that is okay for today. Today we have discussed only three calculating devices: abacus, Napier bones and Pascaline, and many more early age calculating devices we have discussed in the next video. Okay, thank you.